the game, I'm a Kahoot star. Ain't no hoopla to it, second guessing y'all, but no some chance. I can't be choosing. Got the code to the game, and my name make a bang. Red and blue, sounds like Among Us. I can't be choosing. I'm a quick card cooking, but a beater with the top spot. Green, I see if you ain't me, you just a knockoff. Praise God, code who better game with Jimmy Neutron. Player of the year, the second next and never miss. Nah. Shot is on my eye like Pixar. Got the people cheating, trying to see just what my picks are. Still 10 toes down at the tip top. Can't fall wrong, I like the beat you better pick drop. Got a fit friends, cap and kick the meat off. Never miss a mind, you at a time just like a TikTok. Be the boy legend with the bars, they call me Hoop Pop. Y'all ain't ready like audio, only sneak calls. Check my resume, 30 games, one no true false. That's auto admission to Harvard and list by default. And the product is popping, got y'all on recall. That's not needing me when it comes to MC dog. Squaring up into KS, I couldn't beat ball. Leaderboard level super high, I don't see loss. Far forward in the left for show, I can be wrong, never slow. Y'all Nevada slow, gotta keep up. And I'm winning. And there's something about this music hitting different. You know this ain't no care. Reverse the order we in like a stoplight when you're running late. You never see the green in. I'm a hit, better hit maker on an off day. Hands too good, I guess you should've got an all state. Oops, y'all gotta make it quicker like a State Farm. Too far, I don't know who you are. Shoot up a Kahoot star. Ain't no hoopla to it. Second guessing y'all, but no some chance. I can't be Susie. Got the codes to the game, and my name make a bang. Red and blue, sounds like Among Us.